Here's old school how to learn lines. Okay, so here, I have my script in front of me. I've printed it. Everything is highlighted that I need to do, and I have tagged the pages that I need to be a part of in this show. So here we go. All my lines are highlighted. So what I do is I take this piece of paper and I learn my line. Like, let's say, okay, this one is, I don't believe it. And then I cover up everything after it. And I repeat it over and over. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Until I believe it. I know the line. And so I continue to learn my lines, and then I cover up everything that's before and after it. So, okay, so I know that the line before me is, he actually said that Christmas was humbug. Can you believe it? Well, I've got my line covered up. And then I go, I don't believe it. And then I move it down. Thomas's line is, it's true, my friends, as I stand before you all. And then my line, which I've covered up, is, well, I have no patience for the man. That's how I do it. I print the script. I go through every single line, learn it, covering up the lines before and after me until I know exactly what to say. And the more comfortable I get with the words, the more I'm able to put emotion into it. I don't believe it. I have no patience for the man. And as you go through this process, eventually the two come together, the words, the emotion, until everything is subconscious. It's right here in the back of your mind, and you can draw it out at a moment's notice. Hope this is helpful.